Welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we are going to make this very beautiful crochet made tea coaster. It is multicolored and it looks really very beautiful. So let's start. We have taken wool of 4 ply and crochet 3 mm. We'll take yarn over our front finger and hold it with thumb and mid finger and control with the lower two fingers. So first we make a slip knot. Now we'll make 6 chains. We have to form a ring. We have to form a slightly big ring. So we'll make 6 chains. We'll make slightly tightly chains and we'll attach with the first chain with the help of slip stitch. Now a small ring has been formed. In this we have to make 24 double crochets. So first we'll make 3 chains and then we'll make 23 double crochets. 23 double crochets we had to make, that's why we made this slightly big ring with 6 chains, otherwise a ring of 5 chains is sufficient. So let's complete this round by making 23 double crochets in the ring. First round we have completed. Now we'll attach with the help of slip stitch. Now we move to the second round. 24 double crochets we have made in the first round and exactly 24 double crochets we'll make in the second round, but the difference is that we'll make one chain in between 2 double crochets. So I have made 4 chains, not 3 chains. Now one chain and one double crochet. We'll make double crochet in each chain. One double crochet, chain, one double crochet, chain, one double crochet, chain. Following this pattern, we'll complete our this round. So our round is complete. We'll attach with the help of slip stitch and we'll make 3 chains. And now we'll make one double crochet in the pocket. We'll make 2 double crochets in each pocket. We have 24 pockets. So we'll make 2 double crochets in each pocket. There will be 48 double crochets after this round. Following this pattern, we'll complete our this round also. It's very simple. In each pocket we have to make 2 double crochets simply, which we have completed. And we have also attached with the help of slip stitch. Extra thread will attach at the back side neatly. Now we are going to make our 4th round. 3 rounds we have made with the basic color. Now we'll attach with the next color. Color of course we can take of our own choice. Now we'll make like the second round, 1 double crochet chain, 1 double crochet chain. When we have to make 1 double crochet chain, so in the starting we have to make 4 chains instead of 3 chains, 3 chains plus 1 chain. So following this pattern we will also complete this round, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. Total we'll have 48 double crochets. It's very simple. We'll make our this round following this pattern which we have completed. We have added our next color. Now we'll again make 2 double crochets in every pocket like we had made earlier. In every pocket we'll make 2 double crochets. We have changed the color. Color of course we can take of our own choice. In every pocket we'll make 2 double crochets. Following this pattern we will also complete this round. Our this round is also complete. Now we'll take the next color. We'll make 3 chains. Now we'll make 7 double crochets in the same pocket. Including 3 chains, we make 8 double crochets in the same pocket. There are 48 pockets. In one pocket we'll make 8 double crochets and in the next pocket we'll make simply 1 single crochet. In the next pocket again 8 double crochets. In one pocket we'll make 8 double crochets and in the next immediate pocket we'll make 1 single crochet. Following this pattern we'll complete our this round also. We have completed our this round and if you count there are 24 petals because 48 pockets were there and in one pocket we had made 8 double crochets, 1 petal and 1 we had made single crochet, so we have total 24 petals. Now we are going to make single crochet. We will make slightly dark color for highlighting it. We'll make single crochet 5 petals. In the starting we'll make single crocheting over 5 petals. So let's complete that. We'll also make single crochet over the single crochet we earlier made over the petals as well as on the single crochet in between the petals. We'll make single crochet over them also. 5 petals we have made. Now we have to join the ends of 5 petals with the help of single crochet. We'll attach slightly tightly. Now we'll make single crochet over 2 petals this time. We have completed single crochet over next 2 petals, so we'll attach with the first petal with the help of single crochet. First with the first petal we'll join with the help of single crochet. Now we'll single crochet over 4 petals, not 5 petals, not 2 petals, 4 petals we'll single crochet. We have completed our 4 petals and we'll join this with the 2 petals earlier made. In between the 2 petals total 5 petals will be visible. Now again we'll single crochet over 2 petals now. We have completed single crochet over 2 petals. We'll attach it with the first petal as we did before with the help of single crochet. Now we'll again single crochet over 4 petals. Now we'll attach it in between the 2 petals with the help of single crochet. Now again single crochet over 2 petals only and we'll join as we did earlier. We'll join with the first petal. Now we have to make last big petal, so we'll single crochet over 3 petals this time, not 4 petals. 3 petals crocheting, then we'll attach with the first big petal. Now we'll make single crocheting over 1 petal only. And then we will attach in between the 2 petals. After this, we'll make single crocheting over the last small petal. Now with the help of needle, we'll stitch it slightly tightly. Now last 3 rounds remain. Now next round we have to make from back side. You will notice that while single crocheting we see the threads at the back side. We have to take over this one. There are 4 single crocheting, so we'll take with the first one. We'll attach the base color. In between 2 petals, we'll make 3 chains. We'll attach in the next petal. Now we'll make 5 chains. Attach it in the next single crocheting. Now in the mid petal, for the mid petal, we'll make 7 chains. Now attach with the help of single crochet. Now 5 chains. attach, attach, now 3 chains in between 2 petals. Following this pattern, we'll complete our this round. So 3 chains in between 2 petals and attach it. Following this pattern, we'll complete our this round like this. We have completed our this round. We'll attach with the starting point. We move to the front side and we make 4 double crochets in first gap. 4 double crochets we'll make in every pocket except in the corners. Now for the corners we'll make 4 triple crochets. 4 triple crochets we'll make. Four triple crochets, 2 chains and 4 triple crochets in the corners we'll make. Except in the corners, we'll make 4 double crochets in every pocket, and in the corners we'll make 4 treble crochets, 2 chains and 4 treble crochets. Following this pattern, we'll complete our this round also. We've completed our this round. So now we'll make last round. It is simple double crochet all over the chains, and in the corners we'll make 2 double crochets, 1 chain and 2 double crochets. Last round is much easier. In the last round we'll finish the last chain with the help of needle. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. But please don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.